In a world where numbers are feared more than ghosts, learning math can really feel like surviving a nightmare. Hi, I'm Vivina N, the team leader of Midnight Maths. Together with my team members Sharvashni Kannan, Tanisha Salamuthu, and Ashwit Kaur, under the guidance of teacher Un Hock Hao, we proudly represent SMK Senmak. Today, we are excited to present to you our math based coding game called Midnight Maths, where learning math turns into a slightly spooky adventure filled with excitement.
Hi, I'm Sharveshni. Next, these are the pictures to show our progress in this project. They include stages from planning, coding to testing. We also made improvements along the way to complete our game.
Hi, I'm Tanisha. Let me present our pre-post data. Before our project, only 35% of 30 students enjoyed learning mathematics using traditional methods. After our game Midnight Maths, enjoyment increased to 78%. This shows that our game made learning maths more fun and engaging.
Hi, I'm Ashprit Kaur. Moving on, traditional learning methods can feel repetitive and stressful. This can cause a reduce in students' interest and confidence in solving math problems. To solve this, we created a fun and interactive game which helps in problem solving skills.
Now, I'll present the objectives of our project. The main aim of our game is to make mathematics more fun and less stressful for students. We wanted to create an enjoyable game environment where students can learn while playing. Overall, our goal is to make students feel more interested and confident in learning maths.
Furthermore, this game designed for upper secondary school students who prefers math learning more fun and interactive rather than just reading textbooks. It can be used by teachers as a fun and interactive teaching aid, and it also allows students to practice mathematics in an enjoyable way outside the classroom.
Now, let us look at how the game works. Firstly, the player starts the game and enters the midnight world. Next, the player is given math challenges or puzzles to solve. If the answers are correct, the player is allowed to progress further. If the answers are wrong, consequences will be triggered such as retries, obstacles, or even jump scares. As the game continues, the player advances the level, increasing difficulty.
Moving on to the educational value of our project, firstly, it enhances problem solving skills. Next, it improves focus and concentration. It also fosters STEM engagement through gamification. Finally, it encourages perseverance and resilience in learning.
Looking ahead, Midnight Maths can be improved by introducing adaptive learning systems that adjust questions' difficulty based on the player's performance. For instance, giving easier questions after mistakes or harder ones after they improve. We can also add a multiplayer or collaborative mode where players can compete or solve challenges in real time. In addition, a reward and achievement system such as badges or unlocking new levels can motivate players to keep progressing. Finally, strategic use of game-based power-ups like hints or power extensions can make gameplay more exciting while still supporting learning.
To sum up, Midnight Maths is a STEM based game game that makes learning maths fun and engaging by combining storytelling, problem solving, and scratch programming. Students get to develop important skills and improve their learning experience by this game.